Wonder Lines! Hi friends! Welcome to Wonder Lines. Today, we are drawing the letter C. First, let's draw a big letter C. Now let's color it. We use a beautiful pink color to fill the letter C dot so bright and lovely. Next, we add a bold outline to make our letter C stand out. Wow! It looks amazing already. But wait, what starts with the letter C? Let's draw some cherries. Two cute little cherries hanging together. Cherry starts with C. Color them bright red. Light green for the stem. Brown for the tip. And a fresh green for the leaf. Now let's add the outline. Oh wow! The cherries are moving! Wonder lines! Now let's draw something else that starts with C. A cute little cat. Cat starts with C. Let's color a cute little cat. Color the stripes with light orange. And fill the body with bright orange. If you love drawing and coloring with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Wonder Lines so you won't miss our next magical. Now add the outline. Now let's see the wonder. Wonder Lines!